Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying our videos. I hope you like our previous video. Today we will learn about verbs. We will discuss what are verbs with few examples of verbs. Here in this picture you can see verbs. First one is swim, second sleep, sit, stand, fly, ride, drive, jump, play. These are the verbs. I'll discuss some verbs. Swim, SWIM, swim. Number 1, swim. Verbs. Number 2, sleep, SLEEP, sleep. Number 2, sleep, SLEEP. Verbs. Sit. Number 3, sit, SIT, sit. Sit. Verbs. Stand. Number 4, stand, STAND, stand. Stand. Number 4, verbs. Number 5, fly, FLY, fly. Number 5, fly. Fly. Okay, let's review. Verbs. Number 1, swim. Number 2, sleep. Number 3, sit. Number 4, stand. Number 5, fly. Repeat. Verbs. Swim, sleep, sit, stand, fly. I have discussed some few examples of verbs. Swim, sleep, sit, stand, fly. If you like our video, do subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.